لبتت بروتوكول مردوتا نايد عم أصلاي وعمرانة جزريات ترعثة تورس إلى أنصيتا قام يقرتا اتيرتوتا دا أستراليا ودعرا إيك كلن كي خيخ قانونا قمايا إيلي لرمازة لعم أصلاي بخا أرخل خمتا.
It's very important for me to be able to identify myself to other Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander people by the nation and the family that I'm a part of. And when we talk about family, we talk about our ancestors going back in time. But if we're meeting a person who could be coming from another country, we would often identify ourselves as either Aboriginal, Torres Strait Islander or a First Nations Australian.
Well, I identify both as an Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander man, and that's because my family connections. Torres Strait Islanders are more connected to the Melanesian group of people in the Pacific, and Aboriginal are more for the mainland of Australia. We have different cultures, different languages.
لهويا اتمكريتن لي خبرة أبريجينال ورخوقا مما بلختت شمانة مكرية ين بذغام خينة قلقلانة إقارة عاد بيشة ومبلخة بزونة شعمارة.
Historically, the abbreviation has been used as a derogatory term to insult First Nations peoples of Australia.
مقدم شورا يغدا قومتا شاركن قدا قابلت بشينا يرتو تنيتا welcome ين جو موديانو ثب أطرا acknowledgement of country.
A welcome to country is different to an acknowledgement to country. A welcome to country is a very important sacred ceremony where an elder of the place where you are will welcome others into the space where an event is about to occur. An acknowledgement can be done by anybody.
مخشختت جارك بيشا يقضيتا ناشاوير بشنة إنا هدام من يقرأ اغداك نوشتا اضمطينا الخا أمر رشيمة والخا درغا داقل داروتا بأرخد داتا مردو تانيتا آني عيادا إيد كي بيش قرية عمتا ين عمّا ناشت لنا من عمّي عمراني أصلاي جارك الطلبي بساسا قام بلختت أني بذغامي جودانا لا لبلي تنشيك بوت ين خشويتن جطعيتن لا أصلايوت تخبر صوبها بسبب مبينتي بغرنيتا ربع عمراني أستراليا أصلاي إينا بيشاني التولدات جنيوي شورت أستراليا أصلاي شقيل بخيلة من بيتو ياتي بالشنة أسرية وتشوية دار داور.
Asking an Indigenous person about the percentage of their Aboriginality is offensive because in this country the colonisers tried to forcibly assimilate and to breed us out of existence.
On behalf of the Government of Australia, I am sorry.
People were judged by the colour of their skin. It's known as the assimilation policy. Percentages were measured in order that the authorities could say this person is no longer Aboriginal, they are now a white person.
If they have any percentage of Aboriginal in them or Torres Strait Islander, then we consider that as being Aboriginal or Torres Strait Islander because it's about that connection to country as much as it is about what other heritage we have.
مقسمون يقرنوتا باليبتا بود مردوياثي إذا عمراني أصلاي وبشو دانا لهم زميتون من جيبت عمي عمراني أصلاي.
For us to move forward with a really positive and respectful relationship with each other, it's important that deep listening occur.
But it's fine to ask questions as long as they're respectful and coming from a genuine place of wanting to learn.